The forecasting feature is a powerful tool that allows your business to explore various emission reduction scenarios by adjusting custom parameters. It offers insights into potential operational changes within your organization and your supply chain. The objective is to help you strategically plan and align your operations to get as close as possible to achieving your emission reduction targets. To begin using the forecasting feature, first you will need to set a target. On the left-hand menu, click on Targets. Ensure that you add and set a target. And then now you can navigate to Forecasting on the left-hand menu. At the very top, you'll see the baseline year, which you can adjust. You can see the time interval, whether you'd like to adjust it year or month. The scope, whether you would like to show only scope 1, 2, 3, or all of them. And the emission status, so confirmed, pending, flagged, or excluded based on your emissions hub selections. On the top right, you can download the graph as the CSV. Scrolling down, you'll see that the green line here is the target trajectory that you've put under the target settings. Scrolling down, you'll see the monthly breakdown, where you can select the month and the year. And you can also create custom scenarios. To create a custom scenario, click on Create Scenario. Type in the name of the scenario. The description field is optional. Select a color for the line of the graph. Select whether you would like it to be visible or not on the graph. And then finally, you can add your parameters. There are several types of parameters that you can choose. First, you can choose the emission source change. This allows you to set a percentage on how much the selected emission source will increase or decrease over an amount of time. You can choose the target year here and the percentage change here. There's also the supplier target option. So this allows you to set a hypothetical emission reduction target for one of your suppliers. You can choose the target year here and the percentage reduction. The supplier range target is very similar to the supplier target. This option allows you to select a range. For example, whether it's your top 5, top 15, top 20 suppliers. In this case, we have the top 5. If I was to change the N rate to 20, it will be your top 20th suppliers. You can change the target year. And then you can also put in the percentage reduction. The business growth allows you to visualize how a growth in your business will affect your emissions. Here you can put in the target month and year, and then the growth in the business. Let's create a custom scenario together. First, click on Create Scenario. Type in a name for the scenario. In this case, I'm going to create a scenario based on the top 20 suppliers with a 100% reduction by 2030. I'll click on Add Parameter, Supplier Range Target, click Save. Here you'll see the line that represents the new scenario that I created. I have the option of cloning the scenario, changing the visibility of the scenario, or deleting the scenario. If I click on clone, Avarni will automatically make a copy of that scenario. The color would change. I can go in here and make any changes that I'd like. I can add more parameters. I can edit. And add more parameters as well. And I can change the monthly breakdown based on the scenarios that I've created. Once you have completed all of your scenarios and you are happy with your forecasting, you can then export or download the graph as a CSV.